What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B coming back at you with another video, man. Today this gonna be a small installation. Hey, I want to thank my good people from HogWorkz for sending this part over. So man, I'm appreciative and I'm grateful, man. So hey, we're gonna get into the video and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna change right after this. What's going on, y'all? I hope everybody having an awesome day. Hey, today, y'all, we got a little installation that's going on Khrome. My good people from HogWorkz sent me something over, and I'm gonna show you what they sent me over, okay? I really appreciate Rob for sending this over. Thank you, Rob, for that, man. I really appreciate it. Hey, this is some engine brightener, man, right here. You know, I'm using the competition engine brightener. After I wash the bike, I put it on to get that gloss shine back on your bike. So they sent this over. Thank you, Rob, for that. And he sent me some more denim. I needed this because I was out. I was out of mine. This is some denim cleaner for your bike. You know, just some wash, you know, so you can, you know, if you can't find a car wash when you're out of town, send me the top for that as well. So man, I really appreciate them. But let me show you. You see, I got the wraparound fender on the bike now. But I'm finna pull the wraparound fender off, y'all. I got another fender that's going on now. This is the hardware right here. And let me show you what fender I got going on the bike. Let's get it, baby. I'm going with it's kind of like a mid-length fender right here. So it's not gonna go all the way down. It's gonna cut off probably about right off in here. Y'all, this baby matches up really well to the bike. And oh wow, I can't wait to get it on. It ain't gonna be an installation video. I'll show it to you after I finish. And man, y'all make sure y'all stay tuned to the channel because I have more boxes in the house too as well. So more stuff. But y'all, we're gonna get this on. Yeah, tell me what you think about it. I know a lot of y'all like the wraparound fender, but I wanted to go with something different on the bike. And yeah, let's get to it, man. And I'll show it to you when we're done with it. It's just 4 bolts, y'all, just 4 bolts. These 2 bolts here, you got the nut on the inside, it's just 4, y'all. That's all it is on each side, and you had a spacer that's gonna go in between here. So let's get to it. I'll show it to you when I'm done. Peace. All right, y'all see we got it on. I love the way this looks, man. I love this look. But let me show you what I do to make sure that the tire is not rubbing on the inside. I take something like this and I just go right down the center. If it get hung up or stopped somewhere, you know it might be touching, and you don't want that to touch because it'll mess your paint up. It'll get so hot and your paint will start bubbling. But you see it came out down here at the end. So that lets you know that your fender is not touching. You know, some people don't check theirs, but hey, I check mine to make sure that that doesn't happen. But I want to, again, y'all, let me thank my good people from HogWorkz. Hey, I really appreciate y'all, man, for sending me this over, y'all. You know me, I'm going for that performance bagger look because later on, I'm going to change the bars. I'm going to go to a bar and riser setup. That's what the real name for it, but you can say T-bar setup. And I might be changing out the wheels. So, but I love the way, this is a 21, y'all, and I love the way it make it look. It look bigger, y'all. It look much bigger, and I love this fender style right here. So yeah, man, but that's gonna be it, man. Till next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed one. Y'all ride safe out here on these tubes, man. And my prayers go out to Rare Breed, man. They lost 3 members the other night. Heading up toward California, man. So yeah, a car hit them, and yeah, I don't know all the full detail, but I know it's something about some car or a Jeep or something hit them. So man, y'all pray for Rare Breed, and I'm out of here, man. Y'all stay safe on those roads, man, because I'll tell you, be vigilant out here, man, because these people act like they don't see us, man, and they are on the phones and doing everything else. I love y'all. Peace. Have a blessing, y'all.